How to unrestrict messages on Facebook Messenger. Now, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this very quick video. So first of all, of course, you got to open Facebook Messenger. And once you're here, you simply, see all your chats and stuff like that, right? So then you want to click on the top left. Now, if you click on the top left, you should see all of these options. But you simply want to click on privacy and safety. Once you've clicked on there, you should already see restricted accounts right over here. So all you basically want to do at that point is just simply open it. Here you can see all the restricted accounts. And let's say I want to unrestrict this account over here. Click on it and simply click on unrestrict. And that's basically it. So yeah, now it's gone from this list. And if I go all the way back, you can see it is right here in my chats list again. Well, it wasn't here before because I had restricted it. So that's how you unrestrict a message on Facebook Messenger. I hope it helped you out.